In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and use Breakout Room in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up breakout rooms quickly and confidently, and you'll understand the choices that help your meeting run smoothly. First, join or open your Zoom call. Make sure you're the host or that you've been made a co-host, since only hosts and co-hosts can set up breakout rooms. For the most reliable experience, use the Zoom desktop app, where all the meeting controls are available along the bottom of the screen. Next, look at the toolbar at the bottom of your Zoom window. Click the More button. Depending on your window size, this might appear as three dots labeled More, and it groups extra meeting options that aren't shown by default. Inside that menu, select Breakout Rooms. This opens the Breakout Room Setup panel where you'll make your key choices. Now, enter how many breakout rooms you want created. Think about your goals and your group size as you make this decision. For example, if you have 20 participants and you want small discussions of about 4 people, 5 rooms is a good fit. You can always adjust the number later, but starting with a clear target keeps things organized. After that, choose how people will be assigned to the rooms. You have 3 options. Assign automatically distributes participants evenly across the rooms, which is perfect when you want to get everyone moving without delays. Assign manually gives you full control, letting you place specific participants together for targeted collaboration. Let participants choose allows attendees to pick their own room, which is great for interest-based sessions or when people need to move between topics. If you use the choose option, let your audience know how to find and join rooms so they feel comfortable navigating. When you're happy with your selections, click Create. Zoom will generate the rooms based on the number you entered and the assignment method you selected. Take a quick moment to confirm that the setup matches your plan. From here, you're ready to run your breakout segments just the way you intended, with participants grouped effectively for discussion, brainstorming, or problem solving. That's all. With these steps, you can activate and use breakout rooms in Zoom with clarity and control. A brief practice run before a big meeting can help you feel even more confident, and a short explanation to participants about how you've set things up will make the transition into rooms smooth and stress-free.